Hello, Namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. Thank you for all your support. Thank you so much. Today we'll see Swiggy Instamart free sample review. This is pancake mix. It's from Pillsbury. I'm emptying the pack here. This is an instant pancake mix. I'll try it in two ways. So I emptied the pack. I added some boiled milk and mixed thoroughly, and you can see here the batter is ready and it is just like dosa batter consistency, right? Now we'll check out in two ways. Some batter will go into microwave oven and rest of the batter we'll try it on pan as you see in the picture. You put some chopped nuts and raisins and then let it go in microwave for 30 seconds to 1 minute. This is very simple, tasty and quick recipe you can try out when compared to Pillsbury pancake. Now it's ready. You can taste it and enjoy. This is how it looks. That is super yum. You will love it. Does this look like small cake, right? Yes, this is chocolate cake with nuts into it. Did any of you try this mode of cooking with Pillsbury pan instant mix? Let me know in the comment section. If not, you can try it in oven or microwave. Okay, we'll try it on pan now. As you see in the picture, once the pan is hot, you grease the pan with oil and put the batter as shown in the picture and spread it across the pan. You just have to wait for 30 seconds or so until you see all the bubbles being popped out. Now you flip the pancake to the other side. Let it sit for 10 seconds and then you can serve. The pancake is ready here. You can garnish the pancakes with some chopped nuts and raisins as you wish. How it looks? Does it look delicious? This pancake taste is different from the oven cake we have made. So try it in either ways and let me know in the comment section which one do you like. So how is instant pancakes by Pillsbury from Swiggy Instamart? These are soft, tasty and an instant recipe that you can make it in 5 minutes. If any of you have come new here and watching my video for the first time on this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you for watching. Meet you again in the next new video. Until then, keep smiling. Have a good day.